Hi, good evening everyone. Welcome to my channel Tarot Storytelling with Sapna. आज मैं बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक लेकर आई हूँ. इट्स अबाउट मोर अबाउट लव विद माई एक्सपीरियंसेस ना. जो भी आजकल मैं कंसल्टेशन और लाइव रीडिंग्स करती हूँ. मेजर ऑफ द क्वेश्चन दैट आई गेट इज बेसिकली ऑन लव एंड रिलेशनशिप. पीपल आस्क मल्टीपल क्वेश्चंस ना. कैसा मेरा रिलेशनशिप रहेगा, कैसा मेरा पार्टनर है, what is the future about the relationship. So I thought that let me just make a video on only on love and relationship. It will be a very short video. कुछ यूनिक क्वेश्चंस मैंने पिक करी हैं फॉर दिस वीडियो सो दैट because it's a general reading. I'm not resonating with any individual. I'm resonating with the entire universe energies because it's a collective. It may not resonate with every individual, but it can collectively resonate with major of the audience that who is right now with me, okay, and listening to and looking at this video, okay. सबसे पहले start करते हैं. What is Venus? Venus is known as the god of love, okay. In astrology, Venus is a planet of love, beauty, pleasure, money, attract others. So Venus is majorly, it has a very major impact on our love and relationship, on our family, okay. So our values, I would say. Now Venus हर एवरी 3 weeks में ये चेंज होते हैं, ट्रांजिट होते हैं, ठीक है. और कुछ एग्जाम्पल मैं कोट करना चाहूँगी वीनस का इम्पैक्ट ना विद मे बी वन ऑफ द सन साइन, सो दैट आप थोड़ा सा उसको क्लोजली इसको रेजोनेट कर पाए. वीनस गवर्न्स टॉरस, सो टॉरस के लॉर्ड साइन है. सो उनकी जो एनर्जीज होती हैं व्हेन वीनस इज इन टॉरस एंड इट इज़ गवर्न बाय टॉरस इज गवर्न बाय वीनस, so they are very harmonious people, they are very calm people, okay. They are very romantic जब वीनस टॉरस में आते हैं, या बिकॉज टॉरस को गवर्न करते हैं. they are very romantic people. Taurians are very romantic people, okay. And they want to take their relationship slowly and steadily but grounded with reality, okay. So that's an impact, no? A small impact example I'm talking about टॉरस साइन पे. नाउ इफ you resonate, okay, the questions that I'm picking up, okay, the 10 set of questions that I have 10 questions, not set of questions but 10 questions I have picked up, ठीक है. So हम इन क्वेश्चंस को रीड करेंगे, हम देखेंगे अभी एज पर द कार्ड्स आपके एनर्जीज क्या हैं इन क्वेश्चंस पे. As I'm saying that it is again, it's a general reading, so it will not resonate to everyone, but it will collectively resonate with many people who are watching this video, ठीक है. Now पहला जो कार्ड मेरे पास आया है, मैंने ऑलरेडी पहले क्वेश्चन ऑल द क्वेश्चंस के लिए मैंने एक कार्ड ज़रूर निकाल दिया था टू सेव द टाइम, ओके. सो नाउ द पहला कार्ड, द फर्स्ट कार्ड दैट आई हैव इज द पेज ऑफ कप्स. नाउ व्हाट इज पेज ऑफ कप्स, ओके. जब ये आप पेज ऑफ कप्स हैव डिफरेंट मीनिंग इन लव डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द सिंगल्स रीडिंग, और अगर ये कोई सिंगल है, सो दिस कार्ड इंडिकेट्स दैट रोमांटिक एडमायर इज इंटरेस्टेड इन यू, ओके. और दैट और इट इज़ अ टाइम टू टेल समवन दैट यू हैव अ सीक्रेट क्रश ऑन हिम और हर, ओके. सो अगर आपके कार्ड में और आपका क्वेश्चन है what is the relationship energy and you have an admiration, और आप किसी को पसंद करते हैं, you have a crush, okay. So definitely it's a time when it comes, जब ये वाला कार्ड आता है, पेज ऑफ कप्स आता है, definitely it's a time for you to go ahead and maybe take that as a proposal. आप ना उसको क्रश को आप बोल सकते हैं and I'm interested, okay. This card definitely talks about deep love. As I said, cups always Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, they're very much sensitive. Only deep love, when it comes, page of cups comes, it's deep love. You become more aligned to your life path, okay. So basically good news, this is a good news that you have a romantic relationship which is coming in your way, okay. So the answer to the question, what is a relationship energy, it's a page of cups. Please go ahead for it, okay. आप अपने सीक्रेट क्रश को, हिम और हर, आप उनको बता सकते हैं. ओके. द सेकेंड क्वेश्चन आई हैव इज what are my partner's feelings towards me? It is King of Pentacles. So जब कोई क्वेश्चन होता है कि मेरे पार्टनर के फीलिंग्स क्या हैं मेरे बारे में. Now what is Pentacles? Pentacles is, again, as I said in always in my readings, Pentacles is money, पैसा. Okay, you will see some coins and it's a king. Okay, so definitely it talks about that इस रिलेशनशिप में ट्रस्ट है, पार्टनरशिप है, सो लॉयल्टी है. सो इट शुड बी फर्स्ट ऑन योर प्रायोरिटी टास्क लिस्ट. सो इट्स अ गुड कार्ड, इट्स अ पॉजिटिव कार्ड. अगर ये टैरो रीडिंग में आता है एंड लव एंड रिलेशनशिप के कॉन्टेक्स्ट में आता है, सो प्लीज़ गो हेड फॉर इट एंड इट्स अ गुड कार्ड. ओके, बट इट सेज हैव अ ट्रस्ट ऑन योर पार्टनर, focus on your goal, which is a pentacle, and you should go ahead with it. Okay. The third question that I have is what are my partner's intention? Okay. Now the card which I have is Four of Pentacles. Now again, see, Pentacles. I'm not sure why Pentacles बहुत ज़्यादा आते हैं आजकल. People are more focused on money, 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 money. Okay, so definitely Four of Cups talks about success, but it also warns you, don't be greedy. Okay, hold on to your success. Okay, the Four of Pentacles जब love and relationship में आता है, which says acknowledge the success with your partner, because of course it is love and relationship. Acknowledge the success with your partner, but it also warns you, don't be greedy. Hold on to your success, be grounded, enjoy that success. Okay, so answer to your question, what are my partner's intention? They have good intention. They have good intention towards the relationship, but don't be greedy. Okay. The fourth question that I have is what is the future of the relationship? जब ये क्वेश्चन आता है and it comes in the love and relationship, see, it is Eight of Swords. Now as I said, swords is what? It's betrayal. Okay. So जब कभी भी ये आपके लव एंड रिलेशनशिप कॉन्टेक्स्ट में आता है ये क्वेश्चन और ये वाला कार्ड आता है विच इज़ योर एट ऑफ स्वॉर्ड्स, विच डेफिनेटली सेज दैट इट्स अ डिफिकल्ट टाइम, नेगेटिव माइंडसेट, not a great time to make big choices for yourself or for your partner. So it's an indication, hold, stand by. There can be a betrayal. You're concerned, it's a negativity. It is a negative card. It's not a positive card, but it's a negative card. So before making any big choices, think, revise, and then take the steps. So answer to your question, what is the future? What is the future of the relationship? It's not a good card. It's negative. So think before you take any decision. Okay. The next question that I have is, how do I know if my partner is thinking about me? Very interesting question और बहुत ज़्यादा आता है question ये. Youngsters बहुत पूछते हैं इस question को. Now, how do I know what is my partner thinking about me? He or she. Okay. See. It is Seven of Wands. Okay. Now Wands is what? Again, as I said, ठीक card है, but it's not so, so much. It's a mixture of a card. It's a 50-50 card, I would say. और जब ये आपके love and relationship में आता है, it urges you. It says that please remain true to your principles, to your partner. Think about the goal. You are in a difficult spot. You may need to look into the people perspective. Okay? See, आपको ये कह रहा है इट्स अ रेडार. मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ इट्स अ रेडार. सो जब ये लव एंड रिलेशनशिप में आता है, कॉन्टेक्स्ट में आता है, प्लीज स्टे ग्राउंडेड विद योर प्रिंसिपल्स. ओके, स्टे ग्राउंडेड. इट्स अ डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशन. बी काम, स्टे काम. टेम्पररी होता है, बट लुक आउट फॉर द आंसर्स. इट्स एन ओके कार्ड. 50-50. इट्स नॉट नेगेटिव, इट्स नॉट पॉजिटिव, बिकॉज वो आपको रेडार दे रहा है. इट्स रेडार. थिंक and then supersede. Okay, the next question that I have is what are the feelings, okay, sorry, what no, whether my partner's feelings are genuine or not, and the answer is the hangman. और hangman का hangman is a major arcana card. Okay, so जब hangman आता है आपके love and relationship में, so now what is hangman? It is asking, it's a confusion card. It's basically a confusing card. Okay, it says that it is asking for a sacrifice. See, it's a sacrifice. It is asking for a sacrifice in order to get the benefit for the bigger picture. And ये भी 50-50 कार्ड है. ये इतना बुरा कार्ड भी नहीं है. Okay, so it says detach from the situation. कभी ऐसा सिचुएशन आता है आपके लव एंड रिलेशनशिप में, यू फील डिटैच्ड. ओके, सो स्टे काम. यू आर हैंगिंग, यू आर कन्फ्यूज्ड. इट्स अ हैंग्ड मैन. यू आर कन्फ्यूज्ड विद दिस रिलेशनशिप एज ऑफ नाउ, बट यू आर नॉट एबल टू लुक एट द बिगर पिक्चर बिकॉज यू आर हैंग्ड. इट्स अपसाइड डाउन. ये ऐसा नहीं है. सी, इट इज हैंग्ड. ठीक है. So you are confused with this relationship right now. If it comes in the love and relationship tarot reading, it says it is in a confusing situation. It might ask for you some sacrifice in order to get the benefits of the future. Okay, but you have to come out of it. You have to keep working on it to come out of that situation of hanged man. Detach yourself. Okay, help yourself to release. कोई और नहीं आएगा, आपको खुद ही करना पड़ेगा. ओके, सो इट्स अ 50-50 कार्ड अगेन. नॉट नेगेटिव, नॉट पॉजिटिव. ओके, सो इन रिलेशनशिप एंड हर कंफ्यूजिंग सिचुएशन है. थिंक अबाउट इट, एनालाइज एंड टेक द स्टेप्स. ओके, द नेक्स्ट कार्ड दैट आई हैव एंड द क्वेश्चन दैट आई हैव इज शुड आई मैरी द पर्सन. बहुत ही एप्ट क्वेश्चन, बहुत ही एप्ट आंसर. The sun. Sun is a major arcana card. Okay, and when sun comes in the card, I love it. Okay, sun का मतलब क्या है? Power. Uplift the relationship. It represents joy, vitality, fresh energy. और जब sun comes in your tarot reading, love reading especially, it's a positive sign. Things are working well. You're moving in the right direction. Lift your head. Realize that this is a good situation. And also realize that the people around you, they're all positive about it. So love card, love reading में आता है, love tarot में आता है, it's a 100% yes card. See the question, should I marry the person? Yes. Go ahead. Okay. The next question that I have is, wonder if my love will return. क्या मेरा प्यार, क्या मेरा पार्टनर, he or she वापस आएगा. बहुत क्वेश्चंस होते हैं सबको, सारे मेजरली यंगस्टर्स को ये क्वेश्चंस होते हैं आजकल, बहुत पूछा जा रहा है ये क्वेश्चन ना, बिकॉज राइट नाउ एज आई सेड वीनस इज रेट्रोग्रेड और अभी लियो में है, सो ये क्वेश्चन बहुत ज़्यादा अभी ना आ रहा है, एंड इट्स अ मेजर आर्काना कार्ड, ओके, द मेजर आर्काना कार्ड विच इज़, और ये अगर आपके लव एंड टैरो रीडिंग में आता है, लव एंड रिलेशनशिप रीडिंग में आता है ना, इट रिमाइंड्स यू ऑफ द यूनिक गिफ्ट. सो सी, it's an infinity, there's a wand, okay, there's a cup, there are flowers at the beneath, okay, see, it's a very beautiful card. Magician, there's a magic in this relationship, please go ahead for it. You have many ना, जब ये ऐसा कार्ड आता है, magician आता है love and tarot reading में, it is unique, you have many ना good moments, magical moments that will come in this relationship, and it's a reminder, hold, जब ऐसी चीज़ें होती हैं ना, मैजिकल चीज़ें होती हैं, hold on to everything and move forward. Okay, so the question, the answer to the question, wonder if my love partner will return. Yes, the answer is yes. Positive, very very positive, will come back, but you have to take some time, you have to give some time, believe in the universe, see, believe in the universe, the magic will happen. Okay, the next question that I have, how I will get to know that this person or the partner, he or she, is my soulmate? And the card that I got is the devil. Okay, now devil is what? Devil is powerlessness. और जब ये आपके टैरो में आता है with regards to love and no, relationship, you are feeling stuck. It's a devil. It's a devil. There's a devil in your head, in your mind. So you're stuck. You're not able to think. You have convinced yourself, आपने अपने आप को convince कर लिया है कि that I don't have any options. There is no truth. There is no freedom. But there is a key to the success. Okay? You own your own freedom. You should not give your freedom to somebody else. You own the freedom. You have to take it back. So devil अगर आप love tarot reading में आता है, it's again, it's not, it's a negative, I would say majorly negative, but it's a confusing situation. But how you do it, how you come out of it, ये आपके हाथ में है. ठीक है? In love and relationship, the answer to the question, is it the person or the partner my soulmate? The answer is 50-50. Majorly it is a negative area. Okay, so अगर आप क्वेश्चन है कि ये मेरा सोलमेट है, the answer is no. Okay, the next question that I have and the last question that I have, is there a third person? बहुत ही regular question, I would say. It's a third person in my life. The answer is Empress. बट एम्प्रेस बहुत पॉजिटिव कार्ड है. इट्स अ फेमिनाइन कार्ड, बहुत ही एनर्जेटिक कार्ड है. और जब आपके टैरो रीडिंग में, लव टैरो रीडिंग में एम्प्रेस आता है और क्वेश्चन होता है, इज देयर अ थर्ड पर्सन इन द लाइफ? द आंसर टू द क्वेश्चन इज नो. द पार्टनर दैट यू हैव, the person is an empress. Empress does not mean a female, right? It's a female card, but every human being, we have a portion of a male and a female in as a human. Okay, so it says no. The answer is no. The relationship is very disciplined. The relationship is very strong. You have a power. Your relationship have a power. There is no third person in the life. you have the energies and to capture the world. So आप अगर relationship में हैं, the answer is no if there's a third person, but the partnership and the relationship that you are into right now, it's very strong. Nourish that. Nourish that. Don't lose your relationship. Okay. So guys, I have this question. ये questions थे मेरे पास majorly. Definitely ये सारे लोग resonate नहीं करेंगे. As I said initially in my video, everyone will not resonate. It's a collective, and these are the energies that I have taken from the universe. Okay. Hopefully आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा. And if you liked it, please do like and subscribe my channel. And my personal consultation, my details are mentioned in the description. I will be back with more interesting topics, and keep watching my channel and shower your blessings. Enjoy the evening. Bye. Take care.